guys, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be talking about Drunk Elephant, specifically their vitamin C serum. And I don't know if you've heard the news or not, but Drunk Elephant has released a reformulated version of the C-Firma Day Serum. You all know I'm a big fan of the original C-Firma Day Serum. I think it's really effective. I love the ingredients that are in it, and I love it. It's a great option for a vitamin C, but they've reformulated it. And it's going to be quite different. Similar, but quite different. So that's what we're gonna go over in today's video. I actually don't have this product in hand because this hasn't been released everywhere as of yet. So you can find this serum on the Drunk Elephant website, but I did read somewhere that we could start to see this product at Sephora Canada towards the end of August, first part of September. So keep your eyes peeled if you're interested in trying out the new vitamin C serum. But until then, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know in regards to this newly formulated vitamin C. I'm going to let you know price point. Is it more affordable? Is it going to be more expensive? And what can we expect with this new formulation? So please keep on watching if you're interested. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up as well. So with the Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum, the original one, I have been using this product for several years. I really love it. I believe it's really effective. And this is one of the best products that Drunk Elephant carries, in my opinion. I do believe it's worth the money. It is expensive, but the ingredients are amazing. You have your ferulic acid, your vitamin E, there's also hyaluronic acid, and a lot of hydrating and moisturizing properties. And it's just a beautiful serum. Now, I know it's not everybody's cup of tea because of the tackiness. It was a little bit tacky on the skin, which I actually didn't mind. And I actually didn't mind the scent of it either. I thought that it smelled a little bit smoky, but I kind of liked that. It was almost like a campfire smell, but a lot of people didn't like that. And some people said it smelled like hot dogs, which I don't see that. But hey, everybody has their own opinion. Everybody smells things differently. Now with Drunk Elephant, they offer a 15% L-ascorbic acid, which is the purest form of vitamin C. So these tend to oxidize once you've opened up the product, and the quicker you can use up these types of vitamin C's, the better, because you're gonna get the best potency out of it, and you're not going to experience the oxidization as you would if you were to take your time using the product. Now in the past, when I've talked about the original Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum, I've told you guys don't stock up on this vitamin C. Don't purchase multiples even if it's on sale, because even if you don't open up this vitamin C, it can start to oxidize even if the product hasn't been opened. So when you're purchasing L-ascorbic acid vitamin C's, it's a good idea to purchase one at a time. But with this new formulation that Drunk Elephant has come out with, you can actually purchase multiples if you want to. You can have backups in your linen closet if you want to, because the formulation is going to let you do that now. So the new vitamin C is now going to be called the C-Firma Fresh Day Serum. I'm going to insert an image right here. So when you receive the product, you are going to receive 2 bottles. And this is where I say that you will be able to stock up when there's a sale, because this isn't mixed yet. We are now going to mix and activate it when we are ready to do so that we know we are getting a fresh batch of that pure form of 15% L-ascorbic acid. And I think that is genius. I think a lot of brands need to do this when it comes to pure forms of vitamin C, because number one, these types of vitamin C can be very expensive. And number two, when they're already mixed, they can start to oxidize before we even get it into our hands. So that is always a worry when it comes to pure forms of vitamin C. It's the oxidization process. We don't know whether we're getting a fresh batch. We don't know how long that product has been sitting in the warehouse before we receive it. There's always that ongoing issue with pure forms of vitamin C. So now Drunk Elephant has reformulated it so that we mix and activate when we are ready to do so, and I think that is a great thing. Now with the larger bottle, that will be the main bottle that we will be dispensing the product into our hand. That bottle contains the 15% L-ascorbic acid powder. The little bottle contains the serum, and you are going to mix the serum into the powder, mix it all together, and then of course the vitamin C will be activated and we will be ready to go on our merry way. So that is how you would mix the two together. They don't recommend putting the powder into the serum. You want to put the serum into the powder, which is in that larger bottle. Once we do this, I did read that it's supposed to be good for 3 to 4 months. So you will have a 3 to 4 month shelf life to use up the product, but if you can use it up sooner than that, I would definitely recommend that. Now this will be a 30 ml size, I believe it's going to be a 30 ml size, and when I have a 30 ml size vitamin C, it usually takes me 2 full months to finish when I'm using it consistently every single day. But if you are somebody that doesn't use vitamin C every day, just keep that in mind that once it's activated, it will start to oxidize immediately. It's going to take some time, but as long as you store it in a dark, cool place, you should be fine. Now, I like to store all of my vitamin C's in the fridge, as I believe it does help to prolong the vitamin C and it doesn't oxidize as quickly, but according to Drunk Elephant, it's not necessary to keep it in the fridge. So with this new formulation, you can still expect to receive 1% vitamin E as well as 0.5% ferulic acid. Now, ferulic acid is an antioxidant. I have talked about this ingredient a lot on my channel, and I love when brands include ferulic acid into a vitamin C serum because the two really pair up really well, and it can boost the effects of the product itself, so you can start to see quicker results when it comes to fine lines and wrinkles, for a brighter complexion, and of course if you have any dark spots, this can really help to fade that as well. This new formulation also contains the pumpkin ferment as well as pomegranate extract, and these two work together to really slough off and dissolve any dead skin that is sitting on the top surface of our skin, which is another great thing. And it also contains hyaluronic acid, which will really help to give us a plumper look to our skin as well. Now, when I was doing my research, I did go on to the Drunk Elephant Instagram page and I was reading through questions and comments. And a lot of people were asking if the scent and the texture was going to be the same as the original C-Firma Day Serum. And Drunk Elephant did respond back and said that the scent is still going to be the same, but it's not going to be as strong as the original. And they also mentioned that the texture is going to be slightly thinner than the original vitamin C as well. So that's what I read right from the Drunk Elephant Instagram page. And in terms of pricing, there is a slight difference. So with the original C-Firma Day Serum, this retailed at $105 Canadian, whereas the new formulation is now going to be retailed at $103 Canadian. So there's a $2 difference. It's not a huge savings, but $2 is $2. And of course, with this new formulation, you are mixing and activating it yourself. So I can justify the price in terms of this new formulation, but of course, this is a personal preference. And there are so many other affordable brands out there that provide amazing vitamin C options, and they're more affordable, and they most likely do the exact same thing, if not better, than Drunk Elephant. So it really just comes down to preference when it comes to vitamin C. Do you like pure forms? Do you like derivatives? What brand do you like better? What percentage do you like better? What texture do you like better? It really comes down to a lot of factors. But I think that I will try this new formulation just to see how it compares to the original. Does it smell the same? Is it going to last longer? I just wouldn't mind purchasing it and trying it out. So if I do, I will definitely let you know once I've tried the product out. Of course, maybe I will mention it in an empties video and I can give you my final verdict once the product is completely finished, but I will let you know if I decide to get it. So let me know in the comments below if you are going to venture out and try this new formulation or if you're going to pass. I would love to hear your feedback below. And of course, I will leave this product below for you as well in case you want to do some more research on it as well. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in my next video. Take care, and I'll see you guys then. Bye, guys.